Well, part of the reason I made the video yesterday was this kind of this way of telling myself I could still do immersion on a busy day that I knew I was going to have today, which was packing up my entire house because I'm moving tomorrow. So, I was able to do a little bit of immersion, not as much as maybe I would have liked, but I'm not going to beat myself up over it. Tomorrow is a move day, which means that I'm not going to be able to really do any immersion, which, sometimes that's what it's like. I'm not going to be able to really have headphones in because, I'm going to have to be coordinating with people, moving stuff. Maybe on the drive over I can play something in the car, and I'll get it in that way. In any case, I'm probably going to pre-record something to put up tomorrow. I'll just schedule to release it. So that's kind of what's going to be coming next. I'm going to record that right after this. I'll keep this one short. Yeah, not much immersion tips or content in this, but this is kind of like my daily immersion journal. Anyways, I appreciate everyone who is watching, and I guess if I'm curious to know about if anybody else has had these big days like moving or something like that, and they hadn't really had the chance to do any immersion, and maybe how they actually did some or found some time. So if you have any experiences like that, let me know. Thanks. Bye.